Hi students, a very pleasant and warm greetings to you all. Hope you are doing good. So we have seen the introduction of all your chapters in 11th grade, right? So today we are going to see the practical portions. So if you are having the clear idea of your practical syllabus means it will be easy. When you are learning the theory side itself, you can just go through the practicals also by the side, so it will be easy, right? So I'll just give you a small introduction on what all topics will be covered in this practical exercise, and when you are learning that specific lesson, you can just learn this practical exercise also, so it will be easy, right? So here we'll have 10 exercises. Totally you will have 10 exercises for this practical, and you'll have either or choice, A or B option. So you can learn 5 and you can write the other 5 in choice. Okay, so here if you see, it will be given as CA1, CA2, that is computer application 1, 2, 3. Likewise 10 will be there, that will be the question number, and the choice options also will be given to you before the exam. In that option only it will come. If you learn any 5, you can't write. According to the choice, if you are learning only, you will be able to write. Okay, so you have to go through that before learning it. But I'll just give you the introduction. What all topics will be covered in this practical program? The first one is OpenOffice Writer. Here we have studied, right? And the second program will be of OpenOffice Calci, and 3, 4, 5 will be HTML programs. Sixth one also HTML only, but the sixth program is CSS, Cascading Style Sheet program, and 7, 8, 9, 10 will be JavaScript program. So here you have seen the syllabus. So we'll have word processor, OpenOffice Calc, that one as 6th and 7th chapter, right? In the 6th and 7th chapter, that will come under second unit, Office Automation Tools. Here we'll have word processor and spreadsheet chapter. So here the first two programs will be covered, right? And then you will be having the HTML coding, that is your 10th, 11th, 12th chapters, that will come under your third unit, right? So the HTML chapters. And the next one, CSS. CSS is your 13th chapter, that also will come under your third unit, web page development using HTML and CSS. And the last four are JavaScript. Here JavaScript you will be learning as the fourth unit, that is 14, 15, 16 chapters are JavaScript. So when you are learning that chapter, at that time if you are just trying out this programs means it will be easy. Okay, so first program is OpenOffice Writer. Here you will be creating a invoice in OpenOffice Writer. It will be when you are having when you are buying something, you will get a bill, right? So here you are going to design a bill here using this OpenOffice Writer. Okay, that bill or invoice, the whole thing will be given in the question itself. The same thing you will be designing in OpenOffice Writer in the computer. Okay, whatever is given in the question paper, you will just type those things there. If there is a column, you will insert column, a row, table, border, color, font, style, size, everything you will design as per the given question, and you will take the output. Right? So in your book, if you see, if it's there. If you are having ebook, if you have downloaded the ebook, just check it out. Last part will be of practical program. If it is not available there, you just text me. I'll just send you the practical PDF also. Okay. So here the step-by-step procedure to open a OpenOffice Writer, to take a new file or text document, and to insert the formats, all the methods, step-by-step procedure will be given, and according to that procedure you can just do it and you can attain the output. Okay, the main thing here is first you have to start with aim, and then you will write the procedure, and then if coding is there you will write the coding, and then at last you will write the output and then result. Okay, output you will write after taking the output from system only. Result also you have to write at last. You should not forget the result. For result and output you have 5 or 10 marks separately, it's there. Okay, so here If you see for record book you will have 5 marks, and for procedure either writer or calci means you will have procedure, HTML, CSS or JavaScript means coding. It will carry 10 marks, okay? And the execution, output and this result, these things and all will be carrying 5 marks, okay? So if you are knowing the procedure, you can do it and you can take the output. You can just copy the output from the screen. If you are not able to take the output, if you cannot execute it and take the output, you will lose 5 marks. If you are knowing the procedure, you can write it down and you will get 10 marks. So procedure is the main thing. Learn the procedure. If you are learning it, you can just do it in the computer. If you are learning it without any mistakes, if you are doing writing it without any mistakes, there also no mistakes will be there. You can just take the output easily and you can execute it, right? And you can write the result also. So you can score full marks. The second one is OpenOffice Calc. Here you will calculate interest. Okay, the question will be given and the values also will be given. You will just enter these values in Excel. That is not Excel. Here we are using OpenOffice, right? So it is OpenOffice Calc. Here you will enter all the details which is given in the question first, right? You will see the question and you will enter the details in OpenOffice Calc, and then you will calculate using the formula. Only the formula I have to learn here. If you are learning the formula also you don't need to learn. You can just type each column's name, and when you are learning this you will know. It is a very easy process to calculate any big numbers or any big data. Calculation is easy here in OpenOffice Calc. Okay, so you will get the output as the filled form of table will be as the output. Here in the question blank column will be there. That column will be filled in the uh, output. That will be the little difference here in output and the question. Okay, so you have to just calculate it with the correct formula, and you can write, you can copy down the data from the computer itself if you are doing it correctly. Okay, and the third one is HTML code. HTML code to design a form. Okay, the form also will be given in your question itself. You have to write the coding and you have to execute the coding and design form in Notepad. Okay, HTML you will be typing in Notepad and you will be executing in any browser. Okay, so the given form will be designed. That is the third exercise, and the fourth exercise is height and weight table. Last year this was in the reduced syllabus. I don't know whether this will be included or it will be reduced for you. If you are having the full syllabus, you will have this. This will be included. If you will have to write the exam on reduced syllabus means this will be deleted. Okay, height and weight table. So here also table will be given in the question itself. You will just write the coding and display the table in the output side. Okay, here height, weight and name, class of the students will be there, and that thing you will be displaying it through coding. You will just give codes for table, row, column and all separately, and you will get the same table which is in the input side as at the output. Okay, so here output you no need to learn. You can just see the question and you can draw the output. Okay, and the fifth one is nested list. That is bullets or points or numbers you will give to the particular points, or it may be a name of the places, or it may be pointed text or anything. Whatever they are giving in the question, you have to just design it with coding. Okay, HTML code. Okay, and the sixth one is formatting web page. Okay, this formatting web page is, here you will create the web page using CSS, cascading style sheet. The description also will be given. With the description, you will just give the particular font style, alignment, color, element, everything, and you will design a CSS, and you will include it inside HTML code. For including the HTML code, you will be having a paragraph in the question, and that particular paragraph you will be having it in the HTML code. And in CSS, if you are giving the particular font style, size and the color and all, which is given in the description. As per this cascaded style sheet, as per this description, the word file will be executed, must be executed. Okay, the word, the document, the letters which are given in the question must be executed in this font style, in this font family, in this alignment, in this color. The output must be displayed. That is the program here in CSS. Okay, so here you will be writing a CSS coding and also a HTML coding. Okay, all the things will be in the question paper. As per the question, you have to display the output. Okay, and the 7, 8, 9, 10 are JavaScript. Here you will be including the Java code inside HTML and you will be executing. Okay, so the first JavaScript code is to display text. So you can write the text which is given in the question and you can just execute it and you can take the output. Okay. And the eighth one is multiplication table. So here you will be using a prompt tag. As I said to you, if you want to get any input from the user, first you will give a dialog box. For that you will design a code. So in the dialog box, what number they are giving, for that number the multiplication table must be displayed. So that will be the coding here in JavaScript. For what number you need the multiplication table also it can be displayed. So as per the question you have to design the Java code. Okay. And then ninth one is display weekdays in words. Here we will be using switch case. If we are giving one, Sunday must be appeared on the output side. Now if you are giving 2, Monday, 3 means Tuesday, 4 means Wednesday, 5 means Thursday, 6 is Friday, 7 means Saturday. So this must be defined or this must be given in the coding in switch case. Okay, inside the switch case, we will be assigning this case and statements. Through JavaScript, you will include it inside HTML and you will get the output. Okay, in the output side, correctly, if you are giving 7, Saturday, that must be displayed. Okay, so the next last program is a login form. Here in login form, if you see, login form means you can give a username, password, address, what all topics they have given in the question, you can just design it. If they are not giving any topic separately, if they are giving login form means you can simply give name, username, password or address, whatever you wish you can give. If they are giving any specific forms there, specific text there, with that text only you have to give the output. Okay, so you can design the coding as per the question and you can give the instructions to the through JavaScript which is included inside HTML and the particular output will be displayed. Okay, so if there is any error, you can just when you are executing, how you will execute. If you are writing a HTML code, you will save it with, if you are giving name means save with name.html or name.htm. So it will be saved as a browser icon. The thing which you saved will be seen as a browser icon. When you are just clicking on it, it will just redirected to the browser and it will open on a browser screen only. If the program is correct, the particular output will be displayed on the browser screen. It may be a Google browser or Internet Explorer or Mozilla Firefox or whatever browser it may be, it will be just redirecting to that particular browser and you can open it and you can just to check the output. If there is any error, it will not show the output or some difference will be there in the specified output. It will, if there is any major error, it will just show error. It will not display the output. If there is any minor error, output will be there with changes. Okay, and so here you will be learning about HTML, JavaScript, and what else I said? I given you about CSS, right? So about the coding of HTML, JavaScript, and CSS can be learned thoroughly when you are learning this programming language. And the writer and calci, as usual, it's very easy. It's like taking a paper and writing. Writer means taking a paper and writing. OpenOffice Calci is if you are doing some calculation in a calculator, it's OpenOffice Calci. Okay, so this will be easy if you are learning it along with the theory portion. Theory portion, if you are learning the HTML chapter, at that time itself, if you are seeing this program which comes in HTML, means at that time, if you will know for each tag it will have some meaning, right? So when you are learning HTML, you just refer this also. When you are learning CSS chapter, refer the CSS coding also. When you are learning the JavaScript, you can just refer this question, and you can just try to write your own program. Okay, just the output is important. If you are writing your own coding also, no, not an issue. Whatever they have asked in the question, it must be your aim, right? And then you have to execute and take the output as per the question. Okay, as per the requirement given in the question, only your output must be there. You should not change any values or any data which is given in the question. Okay, so we'll start the portions slowly. We'll start the important topics from the next session. And thank you for your valuable time. Stay home, stay safe, take care, bye.